I just found a new secret on the sky. If you see one of these, make sure to fly up. Oh, there's Santa. It looks jolly good, jolly good. Scared of falling off? Then well, if this is the leader. Merry Christmas. If you seen one of these, make sure to share it to your friends. They so proud of you. Oh, there's two elves strapped to the Santa car. One upside down. And this. So I have this, the exact same. I try to break them, but they don't break. When I'm falling, dreaming, shaken. If you fall, don't worry.